Pat, upo, Pat! Ulo. Ayaw nga ni.
Number 6, 43, no good. Number 99.
Yan, trash talk yung mga lalaman mo, eh.
Number 22. Binigay ka number 31. Kay Justin. Nagbababa ng bola.
Trash talk mga si Destin.
Binigay kay Jabaybay. Jabaybay 2 points. Ball Jabaybay.
Silent A po. Silent A, please.
Jabay-bay!
Bye-bye. Number 34. Naghahanap ng papasan. Tinasa kay Sean. Sean. Tinasa kay Makapia. Makapia. Pink. Oy. Hindi ang mawala yung bola sa kanya. Pinasa kay Paul. Paul. Binigay kay Sean. 5 seconds to shoot. No good.
Okay, iba na.
Good, 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 good. James. Nakuha yung bola ni James. James. 2 points para kay
Yan. Palisi yan.
Panisi siya. Number 34.
Pag ikaw na.
Binigay kay Paul. Number 69. Number 69 for 3 points.
Patrick, ikaw ba na magdala na ito? Second half tayo.
Okay, by for 3. Shoots it, no good. Tatapikan. Pink ball. Ay, yellow ball daw pala. Sorry. Abay-bay, inbounding the ball. Abay-bay, pinasa kay Christian for the 2, no good. Blocked by Benedict. Benedict binigay kay Franchon. Pinasa kay Paul Belle for 2. 2 points! Grabe naman yun. James inbounding the ball kay Bicoy. Bicoy pinasa kay Justin. Chris Brown, nagbababa ng bola. Nagmamadali, naghahanap ng papasahan muna daw. Binigay kay Bicoy. Bicoy, hanap ng papasahan, binigay sa gitna. James for 2. It's good. Score natin, 58-49. 7:33 on the game clock. Sean Enriquez, nagbababa ng bola. Binigay kay Paul Bello. Paul Bello, tumira ng 3. God bless! 61-49 ang talaan natin, mga kaibigan. Justin Miranda, binigay kay John Gale. Habay-bay for 2. No good rebound, di Makapia. Makapia na sundot sa mukha. Inaagawan ng bola. Nagmamadali, binigay kay Paul Bello. Paul Bello pinasa kay Enriquez. Enriquez for 3. Kulang ka pa sa kanin. Binigay kay Habay-bay for 2. Final ni Benedict. Shooting foul. Shooting 2.
Bene.
Second personal foul. First team foul. Abay-bay, shooting is first. It's good. Shooting is second. Abay-bay on the line. Shoots is second. Pasok pa rin. Score natin 61-51 with 6:50 on the clock. Sean, binigay kay Paul Bello. Paul Bello, nag-set ng play. Usog na muna kayo, titira ako. Tumira ng 3. Grabe ka talaga, Paul Bello. Iba ka na.
Nag-iinit.
Bicoy, may hawak ng bola. Nagsiset ng play, naghahanap ng papasahan, binigay kay Justin Miranda. Miranda binigay kay James. James umakatake sa gitna, tumira ng 2. Pasok! Warning, yellow team, delaying the game. Score natin 64-53, favor of pink team. Time on the clock, 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Sean Enriquez, binigay kay Paul Bello. Nagtatapikan pa ng bola si Ligato at si Bello. Binigay sa gitna kay Makapia, shooting for 2. Lucky bounce, 2 points. Grabe naman yun. Chris Brown nagbababa ng bola. Binigay kay Habay-bay for 3. Does it make it? Nakuha pa rin yung rebound. Tumatake ng 2. Wala pa rin talaga. Pink ball.
Oh! Shout out mo kami ha. Ninja Pop.
May gaano mo na ako.
Okay.
May kukunin lang.
Makapya, inbounding the ball, binigay kay Enriquez. Enriquez, nagbababa ng ball. Enriquez, binigay kay Bello. Bello, humihingi ng spin day, umatake pa rin, nagmamadali, binigay sa ilalim. Benedict Albornoz, sabihan ng toss, sa rebound ni Makapya. 2 points, may kasama pang foul. Grabe ka na, Makapya.
Sub daw. Sana.
Ref, substitution daw tayo. Pasok na ang papasok, labas na ang lalabas. Number 0, first personal foul. First team foul. Abay-bay, binigay kay Bicoy. Bicoy, nagbababa ng bola. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Nagsiset ng play, pinasa kay Habaybay sa corner. Habaybay umaatake sa pin with a 2 points. It's good! Estrella binigay kay Makapia, binalik kay Estrella, binigay kay Enriquez. Enriquez nagmamadali, naghahanap ng papasahan. Makapia for 3! It's good! 72-55 in favor of Pink Team. 4 minutes and 40 seconds on the game clock. Cardo, may hawak ng bola. Binigay sa gitna kay James. James binigay kay Christian. Christian for 2. It's good. Enriquez, nagmamadali, nagbababa ng bola. Binigay kay Estrella. Estrella, shumat fake. Binalik kay Enriquez. Humingi ng spin kay Sanaw. Enriquez, humingi ng 3. Wala pa rin Estrella for the putback. 2 points. Time out! Yellow team. Martinez, nagbababa ng bola. Martinez, dribbling the ball, naghahanap ng papasahan, binigay kay Miranda. Miranda binigay kay Habaybay for 3. No good.
Ang laki, ang laki.
Number 1 sa Pink. Kampay kung pinalis na. Mas pagod ako.
Ano yan?
Smoothie.
Huh? Kyle Estrella, second personal foul, second team foul.
Pasok yung first shot ha.
Oh, second shot. Both shots are good by Chan Chan Del Rosario. Uy! $17 to shoot. Our score 74-59 in favor of Team Pink. Pinasa kay Makapia. Makapia recovers. No good. And one. By Makapia. 25. Ba? 25 man? 7 pala, 7. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Martinez, nagdadala ng bola. Martinez drives to the paint. No good! Wow! Rebound by Macopio.
Nasang mangga.
Banana.
Banana. Mangga na may
16 to shoot. Sean, pinasa kay Paul. Paul tries another 3. Maliyab-liyab ng kamay ni PJB. Yan na si Jabaybay!
Grabe yun.
Grabe yun. Post to post. Namang ng 21 ang Team Pink. Ako? Hindi ko kaya yan. Ang hina nga tuhod ko eh. Sino? Makapia, first personal foul, third team foul. Yan na si Jabaybay ulit. Goes the ball, foul! No good. 99. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. San Enriquez with no assist today. Wala. Ako nag-commentate. Wala ka kasi sa akin.
Pasok.
Pasok. 20 on the shot clock. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Martinez picks up Enriquez. Staggering defense by Martinez. Di pinapaforma si Sean. 12 to shoot. Sean now fakes. Paul tries another 3 again. No good. Australia, wait lang daw, sabi. Humingi si Sean, pero hindi pinasa. Pinasahan si Paul, pinasa. Hindi pala pinanasa. Sanaw. Fake, drive. Agaw ni Picoy. Binigay kay Janja, binigay kay Jabay-Bay, going coast to coast. Top pass and three. No good. Rebound Paul. Paul. Pinasa kay Estrella sa ilalim. One an assist by Paul Bello, and what a finish for Estrella. 16 on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes in the third quarter. Naipinag buo si Justin. What's the call, ref? Jambon?
Pink. Yellow kanina eh. Pink.
Pink.
Yellow kanina.
Okay, pink ball. Pink ball possession. One minute and 45 seconds remaining. Shot clock is at 15. Maccabi pass to the corner. Corner three. No good. Rebound Chan. Chan pass to Justine. Justine bringing the ball down. 18 on the shot clock. Justine nakita si Jabay-Bay. Jabay-Bay drives to the paint. 2 points for Jabay-Bay.
Bawal na.
May foul, G? Shot clock is at 14. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. 10 to shoot. Nabitawan ni Kyle. Double dribble. Our score 82 to 65. Last 1 minute remaining in the third quarter. Jabay-Bay going close to close again. Binangga si Macapia. Nabitawan ni Jabay-Bay. Outlet pass si Paul. Paul! Left hand layup. No good. Foul out by Macapia. No foul is called. Sanaw! Now Fury! Last 40 seconds remaining. Lamang na ng 21 ulit ang team Yapi. Kasi nagpadali left-hand layup is good by Justin Miranda. 24 seconds remaining. Shot clock is at 19. 19 to shoot. Shot clock is at 13. Sano receives. 10 to shoot. Sano tries a 3. No good this time. 10 seconds on the clock. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the